Hey guys! Welcome back to our channel. This is Anna, and in today's video, I'm going to be doing a deep cleaning in our bathroom. Well, there's only one bathroom in our home, and the other one upstairs is a powder room wherein there's no tub. They usually call it a half bath, but then anyways, I'm going to tell you, and I'm going to pop out every once in a while in this video to tell you the products that I'm using. Most of them are from Grove Collaborative, but you can buy them also on Target. So hope you guys like the video, and I hope I give you the motivation that you need to clean your bathroom. So let's get it on!
Gave you too much, now I'm swallowed. Now I'm the fool while you're breaking rules. Dangerous path that I follow. Oh, go on, just do what you do. And it bleed for you, cry for you, oh, oh. Let me bleed. As I bleed for you, cry for you, oh, oh. Let me bleed. Let me
So right now, I'm going to use the method anti-back cleaner and let it sit for like 5 minutes before I start scrubbing it.
seems to follow like a shadow, dark and cold to the touch. Am I insane not to let go? Oh, go on, just do what you do. And it
Then right now, I'm going to use my Method Foaming Bathroom Cleaner and a scrub for the floors. sink area, I'm going to be using another method, bathroom cleaner and a pad for the top and the sink.
Can grow so we found a way into the grace again. Let's not pretend our hearts have life again. Just stay one more night. I'll be by your side. Just stay. Just stay. Let's not pretend.
And for our mirror, I'm going to use the method glass and surface cleaner and a paper towel. It's better to use paper towel when you clean glass or mirrored furnitures.
We found our way again. We found our way. A new place.
And lastly, for the floors, I'm going to use my cedar mop with method squirt and mop cleaner with eucalyptus scent. I love that scent. Hope you guys like our video and give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe. See you on our next one. Bye!